At Hexatronic, we've been working hard to build a portfolio of materials to ensure we have every product needed to successfully connect homes in any scenario. Whether it's overhead or underground, Hexatronic provides all the materials you need for a seamless home connection. We have a wide range of drop cables to choose from to be suitable for your delivery methods and required connector types. Our standard 3mm drop cable is suitable for both overhead and underground installation and is available pre-terminated with the connector of your choice. The Stingray blown fibre drop cable, complete with our Stingray Swift Ferrule system, is perfect for blown applications. Our fiber-in-duct solution uses a universal duct preloaded with our Stingray Swift blown fibre drop, making it suitable for aerial, direct install and direct in-ground applications. And finally, our 5mm tap cables utilise a hardened connector and rugged cable design that can be universally installed both overhead and direct in duct. All of our drop cables are available in a range of lengths and packaging options to suit best installation practices. To complement these drop cables, we've engineered innovative tools that ensure our solutions can be deployed safely and efficiently using traditional methods. Once at the premise, we provide a full range of accessories for cable dressing and containment. Where a demarcation point is required, Hexatronic offers both above ground and underground closures for a connectorized service point.